Hello everyone, this is Anil Kumar. In the last video that we have discussed is about setter based injection. Okay. Now what we will discuss is constructor based injection. So how the constructor? This is a very popular interview question. You need to remember. Okay, when to use property based injection and a constructor based injection. So I will go here the circle class, okay, and I will just comment it out the setter and getter properties here in order to demonstrate constructor based injection. Let me create a constructor over here. How you create a constructor? So public public circle. The value would be like int radius is constructor would be the constructor is the method name should be the same, right? And this dot radius, how you will instantiate in the constructor is you need to set this same radius. Okay. This is how you need to set the constructor. Okay, so and I am printing the radius here. Go to the spring.xml. This is the way of setting the property based injection. I am just commenting out. Control Shift this one. I'm just commenting out. So there is a tag called Spring will provide a tag for constructor argument. The only thing you need to pass here is value. Okay. Constructor means it automatically sees the same method name as a class name. Okay, and you can supply the value as maybe 10. Okay, this is dynamically will be passed, nothing, no changes required. This is the beauty of Spring. No changes nowhere else except this configuration. Let me run this application. So it would invoke the constructor based argument and it will set the value as 10. So we have seen the setter based injection and this is the constructor based injection. Now the question comes, when to use constructor based injection, when to use setter based injection. The answer should be it depends on the requirement. If your requirement is, if your class, if your bean needs always, that values needs to be set always, in any circumstances you need to go for a constructor. But if you need to explicitly set those particular properties based on the requirement, some kind of scenario, some kind of logic. So suppose if this scenario occurs, you need to set this radius property, otherwise don't set it. That kind of requirement is there, then you need to go for a setter based injection. Okay, so on a nutshell, if you speak about don't go for constructor based injection, because most of the things, configuration setting the values would be on requirement based, case to scenario based. So you need to go for a setter based injection to have the better performance of the Spring application. So but all depends on your requirement. So I would cover whenever the scenarios or situations comes, I will cover the interview questions as well, to demonstrate, to make you prepare for the interview as well. You need to understand the core concepts, each and every concept, how it is being implemented and configured through practically. That is my motto. I don't want to teach more lessons on theoretical. It would be most of the things are practical. So if you like my video, please click on my video, and also if you have any kind of questions, clarifications, you can post in my comment section. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel.